अगेन आतिफ, अब हमको आपको जो है क्यू कार्ड पे हमेशा स्टूडेंट फंसता है, वन में डिस्कशन होती है, एग्जामिनर आपके सामने रखता है, तो ऑलरेडी वी हैव गिवन क्यू कार्ड फॉर सेविंग टाइम, हमने क्यू कार्ड दिया था, तो हम बात करेंगे गिफ्ट के ऊपर इनसे, हमने गिफ्ट पर बात करनी है। तो अब आपको आई एम गिविंग क्यू कार्ड आतिफ एंड यू हैव क्यू कार्ड विद यू, सो आई जस्ट वांट यू स्पीक ऑन दैट, योर टाइम स्टार्ट नाउ प्लीज।
A special gift for my mother. I gave my mother a gold locket on her 50th birthday. As it was a very special day for my mother and for all our family members. So I went to market in search of a gift for my mother. I visited a lot of shops, but I could not get something like I want to give my mother. At last I reached to a shop where I found a locket which was, I think, suited for my mother. So I bought it and gave it to my mother on birthday. My mother just saw and was very happy on receiving this, and she said to me that put out on my name. So
So I think this was a great experience in your life as well. ठीक है, इस पे मजीद बोले, क्वेश्चन कवर करें ना कि what was the day that you gave that gift to her? That was the day, my mother day something, your birthday.
50th birthday, sir.
50th birthday. That's very good. So do you think like if you give gift to someone that it shows the love for them?
Yes, it is very important to give gifts to others. It is very important gift to others, as it will create a lot of affection and love between us.
So people like sometimes they give gift to like the people very priceless, you can say, and sometimes they give the very low gift. So what's the reason behind it?
Relation and bonding of the people which they have amongst. So sometimes they have strong.
Or let's say, to whom you like to give the precious gift and to whom you like to give the little bit like not enough cheaper, or you get a little bit cheaper gift to any
to my close friends and family members. I would like to give expensive gifts, or neighbors or something else, or colleagues. I will like to give normal gifts.
फाइन। अब इसके बाद जो होता है क्यू कार्ड के बाद टू वे डिस्कशन आता है। टू वे डिस्कशन यहाँ पे हमने किया था, वो था कि पहला कि व्हाट टाइप ऑफ गिफ्ट चिल्ड्रन लाइक इंस्टेड ऑफ अडल्ट्स।
Children mostly like toys, games, and such like this, whereas adults like other gifts, like children give to their parents or other people like gifts like toys, games, as he expect them that these are the same age.
No, I didn't think so कि proper इसका आंसर होता आप दे सकते हैं। मतलब people like to have the gift like the video game. They like to play indoor games mostly because they are not enough adult that go outside. But if you're talking about adults, they like to go outside, like to play physical game like cricket, bat, ball, something like to play, and they like to play some mature game, you can say, because it's very good for the physical as well. Okay, how important is giving gift within the family?
It is very important to give gifts within the family, and it will create affection and love amongst the family members.
इसका थोड़ा लंबा करेंगे हम लोग, उसकी रीज़न ये होती है कि आपका टाइम अगर बचेगा तो आई हैव टू स्पीक मोर। ठीक है जी, ऑडियंस हमने देखा भी, हम और प्रैक्टिस करा रहे हैं, यू विल सी इन मोर डेज दे विल इंप्रूव। तो कहने का सर मतलब जब स्टूडेंट आते हैं रॉ हैंडेड होते हैं, आज ये बोल रहे हैं भी एक वीक हुआ ऑलमोस्ट 4 डेज एक वीक कंप्लीट होगा हमारा, 5 डेज नॉर्मल वीक क्लासेस होती हैं, फिर सेशन टाइम काम दे देते हैं। तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि अगर ये इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं तो आप लोग भी इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं। थोड़ा सा अपने अंदर हिम्मत पैदा करें, कॉन्फिडेंस पैदा करें, आई कैन डू इट, इस नारे को ना ताज़ा कर रहे हैं, आई कैन डू इट, आई कैन डू इट। ठीक है जी, ओके फाइन। नाउ ओवर टू हमाद। हमने आपका जो क्यू कार्ड सेलेक्ट किया था वो था हिस्टोरिकल प्लेस पे, राइट?
Yes, sir.
तो व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से अबाउट इट?
There are many historical places in our country, but
Places in our country.
places in our country.
ठीक है।
But most of all, I like Badshah Mosque is one of the best and second largest mosque in Pakistan.
Okay, fine.
So I pick up a program with my old friend to visit that place. So only decided that with my old friend agree with me with him. So I visit to Badshah Mosque. It is very large and very beautiful. Its dome is very large and lockable. The Badshah Mosque is located to the village city of Lahore, on Holy City of Lahore in the Punjab, at near my home. So the Badshah Mosque was built Aurangzeb Imperial Mughal 1974. So the building of 100-year-old, but still grand and perfect looking.
How
So it
how this is important for you and the visitor as well?
yeah, obviously the visitor mostly many visitor come to this place and research for past history like traditional cultures, so and many other things discovers. So it's related to past history and research many other books related to this historical place. So I think it's very important.
Okay, fine. What do you think of the historical places in the future?
Yeah, obviously government should
I think so. उसने आपका आइडिया मांगा ना, तो I think so, I suppose ये वर्ड हम यूज कर सकते हैं. तो I think so.
I think so government improve the historical place, the maintenance of the historical
This is the main
places.
thing. They can increase the maintenance of the, because it can be the mean या medium of earning for them as well. Like
It
it
is
was question.
asset for Pakistan.
Of course, the asset
It
for
is a
Pakistan, and
asset.
and how much effort you have, like the other visitor will come from other countries like
Yeah.
that. Will the government increase or decrease the safety guard or security guard? We can talk about that and that.
Yeah, definitely.
Safety, my guess.
Precautions and safety guards are necessary, and awareness of people. So guide, I think, very important for.
They should increase the,
Yeah.
like they should put the security
Should
camera,
put the
they
camera,
increase that,
CCTV
right?
closer,
All
closer,
this you can
and
say.
the-
अच्छा, ये बड़ा important question है जी. What is the impact on the historic place by tourists?
Yeah, definitely. Many foreign.
How well से शुरू कर सकते हैं? Well, I think so. The impact on historical places for tourists is very important. When you have the historical places, then tourists come.
Trump will come.
Otherwise, why they will come?
If
If we
you
talk
have
about-
something to show, then,
Of course.
then they will come.
अब
If you
जैसे कि
don't
हमने
have
बात
anything,
करें
then they
इंडिया
will
में,
don't
if we
come.
talk about in India,
Yeah,
अब
strong
लाखों लोग जाते हैं
आगरा,
ताजमहल।
ताजमहल देख।
देखो हमने 2 वीक पे इसको इस तरह डिवाइड किया कि फर्स्ट वीक में लिसनिंग स्पीकिंग कवर करवा रहे हैं, सेकंड रीडिंग राइटिंग में तमाम नोट्स हम लोग जो रखें, वो तमाम लोग जिनकी इंग्लिश वीक है दे कैन टॉक, दे कैन मस्ट टॉक टू विद अस, और इंशाल्लाह आई ट्राई माय बेस्ट कि इंप्रूवमेंट हो। और मेरी दिली ख्वाहिश है कि पाकिस्तान के हर घर से एक बच्चा बाहर चला जाए, तभी इकोनॉमिक क्लासेस खत्म हो जाए, अदरवाइज तमाम चीज़ें आपके साथ ही हैं। तो इंशाल्लाह भी हमारे एक और कैंडिडेट हैं, उनसे बात करवाते हैं, कामरान भाई बैठे हुए हैं, उनसे बात करते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर टुडे जी।